Hello everybody, I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you some cleaning stuff that I picked up. I went to a couple of stores this morning. I went to Walmart, Dollar General in Burlington to pick up some cleaning stuff because I'm going to be doing some deep cleaning this weekend. Today is Friday, but I'm working today. But Saturday, Sunday, and Monday I'm off, so I'm going to be doing some deep cleaning and start my Christmas decoration. That's the reason why I'm going to be doing a big deep clean, even though I do that anyways sometimes, but we're going to be decorating for Christmas. The first two items I got, they're not cleaning items, but I wanted to show them anyways. This is a shower curtain that I got from my boys' bathroom. I always change out my shower curtains for every season, even though I probably already got Christmas ones already. Not probably, I do. But if I see something that's not expensive, I'm gonna get that new one, cause and then I'll just switch it out throughout the season. Like I might have this for a few weeks and change it to another one that we already got. But this is the one for my son's bathroom, and they have these shower curtain hooks. These are no good. I never use these. And it has a black Santa Claus. It is so cute. I really like that. And this is how it looks. Santa Claus going all the way down. I really like that one for Christmas. And we already have some red rugs, so the rugs will go good. I might get black rugs to go good with this for their bathroom. I wouldn't dare get white, but that's how it looks. And this one was $9.99, $10. And I got this one, but for my bathroom, but I need to check because I'm like, do I have something similar to this already? I don't know, but this is very pretty. If I do, I'll just take it back. And I have the red rugs to go with this already. And this is how it looks right here. This is so pretty. I really like this. I'm gonna be starting my decoration. Is any of you started decorating yet? I know a lot of people have started decorating, but I haven't started yet, but I'm gonna start now. But this is very pretty. Okay. And I got that one from Burlington, and that was $9.99 also. And also at Burlington, I got, because they have, at my Burlington that I go to all the time, they have a cleaning section, cleaning product section. And so I always look over there and see what they got. But I found these. These are Clorox dryer sheets. And this is $105, and it was only $249. And I think that's a good deal. Somehow, let me know if you use only one sheet per load. Some people use one sheet per load. Sometimes I use 4 or 5. I don't know why. I just like to do that. And this is the scent Spring, and it smells so good. It kind of smells strong. I don't know. I have to see, because I might put less of these in there if it's so strong. But that is the Clorox Fragranza wipes. I mean, not wipes. They do make wipes too, but these are dryer sheets. And then they have the another one I bought, an Island Orchid, and it looks like this. And this one smells really good. This one is not too strong like that one. This smells really good. And it's same price, $249 and for $105. And then at Walmart, I got some of this scrubbing bubbles. I really love this. I already sprayed both bathrooms down with it because we are going to clean the bathrooms today. But I sprayed both showers down with this, let it sit, and then you can just wipe it off. I always buy scrubbing bubbles. I really like it. And I got some Carpet Fresh because I have carpets throughout the house. And this is the Glade, and this is the clean linen one. I really love this scent right here, the Glade clean linen. Even though it's like Christmas time and you might want to have Christmas scents, but I already have Christmas scents and stuff, but this is the stuff I like to use on a regular basis, no matter what season it is. And, oh, I forgot I went to Dollar Tree too. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I got this laundry detergent, not laundry detergent, dishwashing liquid, Palmetto and Dawn. These are the only two I really use, is Dawn and Palmetto. I don't really use too many other brands because these have worked best for me. And I got these because I usually buy a big thing of Dawn, a big huge thing, or Palmetto from like stores like Costco or Sam's. and I just pour it in. But sometimes my boys throw them out or stuff, so I have to buy a couple more. So I bought these two. Then I got some, oh, this is not cleaning related, but I've been looking for these. I always like to buy these from Burlington, and they had none in a while, and I finally found some. And this is the Dove, what is it called? Moisturizing cream. It's deodorant. It's 0% alcohol, but it's 2 in here for $6.99. The price right there. And that's much cheaper than Walmart and Target. That's why I like to get them from Burlington. And I also bought some washcloths. This is 2 washcloths from Dollar Tree for $1. I love these with the scrubber thing on the back. That's about mostly all the kind of washcloths I buy. And I got 2 of this Glade, the clean linen. Like I said, I love the Glade clean linen. What you call this? Linen, I mean, not spray, air freshener. Got 2 of these. And I got, because I've been hearing people on YouTube talk about this plug-in, Febreeze plug-in, how it makes it smell so fresh and clean. And I got a 3-pack of this one. It's the downy one, because I had I used to use these back in the days, but they were very strong. But I guess this one is kind of light. The Febreeze plug-ins. So this was like $12 and something for 3. So I got that. And then I had some plugs before, but I don't know if I still got them. So I just bought some. And I got this one with the plug, and this has the scent Ocean. And I got this for my boys' room. It smells good. It says it has Hinica, I don't know what that is, ginger and water lily. The ginger, I love ginger smells. So this one is going to go in their room. And then I got 2 of these from the Dollar Tree. They got all smashed up. I don't know what happened to them. But these are the scrubbing bubbles drop-ins that you put in the toilet. Are these the ones that turn it blue? I don't know. But it says continuous clean keeps your toilet bowl stain free. And I got 2 of those. And then I got this Febreeze Vanilla. I think I had this last year. This smells so good. And I don't think this is, it says limited edition, but I don't know if it comes out in the fall or what. But I remember having this before. And this was like $4 and something for 2. So I got these 2. And I got that from Walmart. And I got this Fabuloso. This is like one of my favorite Fabuloso scent. And this is the Refreshing Lemon. And I got this from Dollar Tree. Let me know if you use Fabuloso to clean with. It smells so good. And if you do, what's your favorite kind? And I got this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. And I got this from Walmart. And it was $2 and something. I don't remember exactly the price, but this is good. I use this all the time. I just put this in here because I was looking for stuff. Because I already got some cleaning stuff. This is just adding to the stuff that I already had that I needed. And I found these in my cleaning closet. These are Candy Cane Cheer air freshener. And these are made by Glade too. And I think I bought these from Dollar General a while back. Not today, but I did buy these a while back. And then I've been hearing so much about this on YouTube. The multi-purpose paper towel wipes by Clorox. And I wanted to try, especially when I found out that they have a jasmine scented one. This is jasmine scented. It says it right there. Got the jasmine flower. And this was like $4 and something. But these are supposed to be like a paper towel. I never used it before. Let me see. And it smells good. I can smell it already. But anyways, I'll have to take the top off and do that and open it. It smells good. And it's $75 in here. And I got at Dollar General, I saw the Febreeze plugs by themselves at and these was $3, and because I'm like I already got the things that go inside, so I just need the plug, and I got this one, and I got this because I have one of these. It's this Wick Essential Mist thing that it goes in one of these that I have already in my son's bathroom. I have one in mine too, but this is the one kind that I have in their bathroom, because the one that I have in my bathroom, I'm able to put the Bath and Body Works refills in there. So this is for my sons, and this is coconut and pineapple. Just so you can test it out. And these last a long time. It says 45 days. I know I had it in their bathroom for a while, so those last a long time. It just sprays out a mist every now and then. And then I got this big thing of Mr. Clean. If you watch Living Ash, she was talking about this with the Gain. I used to always buy this. This is nothing new. I always buy with the Mr. Clean with the Gain scent. And I got this big thing for like $3 from Dollar General. And that's all. I want to smell this because I ain't smelled it in a long time. I know I used to buy this. Oh yeah, I remember that smell. It smells so good. It smells like Gain in a cleaning product. But okay, guys, that's all I have for today. Let me know if you're doing any decorating, Christmas decoration, and if so, when are you going to start, or if you already start, and what cleaning products you like to buy. Most of this cleaning products is like stuff I always buy, especially like Mr. Clean and the Fabuloso and stuff like that. So let me know what you like to buy for your cleaning products. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Trying to get my numbers up. Make sure you subscribe. All right, bye-bye.